welcome back to my YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe my TikTok PH. Thank you so much!
Hello students! Happy learning! Okay, so ngayong araw magkakaroon po tayo ng Quarter 1 Matatag Mathematics Grade 7 Reviewer. Okay, so at the end of the presentation, kayo po ay matulungan para sa review ninyo. Para saan po ito? Sa darating na periodical test on September 23 to 24, next week na yon. So, ibig sabihin niyan, ito po ang kailangan ninyong ma-recall, yung measurement and geometry. Ito po ang naituro ng mga guro ninyo sa mathematics. So, with that, meron akong inihanda na reviewer ninyo. Okay, maaari po tayong kumuha ng ballpen, scratch paper, or papel na pagsusulatan para makasabay kayo habang tayo ay nag-re-review. Are you ready, grade 7? Okay, let's start. Ready? Okay, next continuation. Ready? Okay, so let's continue for number 8 to 11. Are you ready? Okay. Okay, so let's continue for 12 to 15. Already? Okay, good. Okay, so for number 16 to 20, okay, so are you ready? Continue. Okay, so let's continue for number 21 to 34. Okay, ready? Okay, for 25 to 30. Okay, so are you ready? Let's continue. Okay, for 31 to 35, okay, so ready? Continue. Okay, for 36 to 40, okay, so this is the last 5 items. Ready? Okay, so let's check your score. How many scores? Okay, very good. You got a perfect score. Great job. Okay, so ibig sabihin lang, class, mahusay. Okay, basta mag-aral na mabuti, mag-review. So, with that, kung hindi pa po natin na-master yung ating lesson na ito, maaari niyo pong balikan yung mga nakaraang video lesson na nakapost po sa aking YouTube channel. So, panoorin po natin, paulit-ulit po. Okay, so next coming po, okay, magsisend po ako ng aking video lesson para ma-review kayo about naman sa number and algebra. So doon gagawa ko ng test all about the application of percentage, use of rates, rational numbers para ma-review po tayo bago dumating ang periodical test sa 23 and 24 this coming September. Okay, so with that, happy learning at natulungan po tayo. I hope malaking tulong po ito. Okay, so with that, bye-bye and happy learning, grade 7 students.